team, Miss Solomia, Miss Laura, Miss Anne, and Miss Leah, thank you so much for your hard work. Thank you to Miss Marina, Mr. Basili, and Mr. Erlan for our beautiful stage and decorations. Thank you so much, Miss Nina, for playing the piano for us, and Miss Asia for teaching the songs, and Miss Maria for the choreography and dances. And thank you so much to the ladies in the kitchen for our wonderful buffet today. And thank you all parents for your support and for coming to see our show. I hope you're enjoying it. Go to your green names, children, green names. Okay, it's time for our last song, Santa's favorite. We wish you a Merry Christmas. Can the children in the front please step down to your green names on the floor? Philip K. Okay. Are you ready?
Yes, we are! We wish you
Maybe we need to do that one more time because I don't see Santa. Can we get help from moms and dads and brothers and sisters? Can you help us to sing that? And maybe Santa will come? Can we do it one more time?
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas, everyone! Ho, 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 ho.
Children, sit on the stage. Santa's got some presents for you. Come and sit. Come and sit over there.